Hello there. So, in today's class, we'll be looking at Nigeria's independence. Yes, Nigeria's independence. Can we say that together? Nigeria's independence. So, let's learn. Nigeria was colonized by Britain. She became an independent nation on October 1st, 1960. Can we say the date together? October 1st, 1960. Yes. So Nigeria became an independent nation on October 1st, 1960. Before that time, the British people were the one ruling the nation, but we later got freedom on the 1st of October 1960. This is why we celebrate Independence Day every October 1st. So what does the word independence mean? It means freedom. Yes, freedom. Freedom from the colonial masters. Now, before Nigeria gained our independence, there were some nationalists that fought for Nigeria's independence. They fought real hard for Nigeria's independence. And the first one is Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. Can we say it together? Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, and we can find his portrait on the 500 naira note. Okay, so ask mommy or daddy for a 500 naira note, and on it you will find the portrait of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe for his legacy that he left and for fighting for Nigeria's independence. So we have his portrait on the Nigerian 500 naira note. Another nationalist is Sir Tafawa Balewa. Sir Tafawa Balewa. So he was also another nationalist that fought for Nigeria's freedom from the colonial masters. He fought for our freedom, and today we always remember him as a hero. His portrait is on the Nigerian 5 naira note. 5 naira note. If you happen to see a 5 naira note, the portrait on that note is Sir Tafawa Balewa. Beautiful. And the next one is Chief Obafemi Awolowo. Chief Obafemi Awolowo, another great hero and nationalist that also fought for the independence of our dear country, Nigeria. On the 100 naira note, we will find Chief Obafemi Awolowo. So for confirmation, you can get your 5 naira note, 100 naira note, and 500 naira note. You will find Sir Tafawa Balewa, Chief Obafemi Awolowo, and Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. As soon as we gained independence, the British flag, which was then known as the British Union Jack, was lowered. That means it was brought down, and in its place, the Nigerian flag was flown. That is, it was raised higher. The Nigerian flag was flown while the British flag was lowered. So on October 1st, 1960, the Nigerian flag replaced the British flag, and as you can see, the Nigerian flag has two colors, green and white. Green, which means agriculture, and white means peace and unity. Also, the British anthem was replaced by the Nigerian anthem and pledge. Yes, I know you know the anthem. We recite it every morning in school. And our currency was later changed from the British pounds, pence and shillings to the naira and kobo in 1973. So we no more had to use the British pounds, the pence or the shillings. We now had our own currency, which was of course the naira and the kobo in 1973. So this is what we use presently. We have the currencies in naira and in kobo. So following independence, Nigerians began to rule the country. Before it was the British that was ruling. So Nigerians began to rule, and Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe became the Governor General. He became the Governor General, and later the first president of Nigeria. So if I ask you who was the first president of Nigeria, what will your answer be? Yes, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. And Sir Tafawa Balewa became the first prime minister of Nigeria. He became the first prime minister of Nigeria. So he was the first Nigerian prime minister and the only prime minister Nigeria has ever had. So that's it, champions. From Nigeria's independence till now, we've had Nigerians rule and lead the country. So, do you remember who the first president of Nigeria was? Yes, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. And on what note can we find him? Yes, the 500 naira note. Well done, champion. You are doing great. So, until the next class, see you and do not forget to attempt your quiz. Bye bye.